Tēnā koutou katoa. In today's video, we're going to look at the difference between active verbs and passive verbs and how they're used in Te Reo Māori. If you haven't watched video number 25, which was the Hangi episode, then it might pay to do that first, because most of the examples that we're going to use today are from that video. If you don't already know, a verb is an action or a doing word, and each verb in Te Reo Māori has what we call a passive suffix, which can be attached to the end of that word. It doesn't really change the word's meaning as such, but it does change how we use it in the sentence. Here's the list of those passive suffixes that we can attach to our verbs in Te Reo Māori.
Kōrerotia, inumia, werohia, whakamatauria, omakia, whakapaingia, whaowhia, hangaia, hokona, patua.
So throughout the Hangi video, you see examples of the passive form being used.
Kua tahuna te ahi, kua tapahia ngā paukena, kua wariwaritia ngā riwai, kua horoia ngā wātakrihi.
If we take the word tahu, for example, tahu means to light. If I say kua tahu te ahi, it doesn't really make sense because it has no agent or person responsible attached to it. But what we're really trying to say is that somebody lit the fire. The beauty of using the passive form is that we don't need an agent in the sentence. We can simply say kua tahuna te ahi, meaning the fire has been lit. If we do want to indicate who was responsible for lighting the fire, whoever or whatever is responsible for doing it is preceded by the word e.
Kua tahuna te ahi e papa. This shows us the difference between the passive form and the active form. This shows us the translations into English and how they differ. Kei te whakaritea ngā purini e neni. Kei te whakaritea neni I ngā purini.
So, I hope that's clear as mud for you guys, and if I've confused you, I apologise, but it's something that we'll come back to later and have another look at. Mauri ora whānau.